When you think about Ashoka, the first thing that might come to mind is the large buildings, the world-class infrastructure, and maybe even the amazing and professional professors that we have here. However, that's not all Ashoka is.
It's also not only about classroom learning, it's also about peer learning. It's about the endless conversations and discussions that you will have with your professors and your friends over a cup of tea in the dhaba or in the corridors.
There are tests, there are assignments, take-home exams, nerve-crushing deadlines. But there is also a big part of life over here which cannot be put into words, and that is about the living experience.
It's the people that you meet here that make a lasting impression.
It's also about the people, the community, the people who are around here.
It's the joy, it's the laughter, and building something meaningful together. It's not always that you will know your path, but Ashoka helps you identify it together.
Ashoka is an experience of making new things, making new relationships, making new, friendship, not only with Indians but also people from other parts of the world.
You will meet people that will have a lasting impression in your life. You will have your ideals, your views, your preconceptions and your biases frequently challenged over the next 4 years. But rest assured, you will come out as a better individual after all this. Ashoka is an experience which you get through by making new connections, new friends, new relationships that you will cherish forever.
Ashoka is home, and so we would like to welcome you home.
Welcome home.
Welcome home.
Welcome home.
Welcome home!
Welcome home. Cheers.
Welcome home.